It's Team Pyrex over here. You know how we do it. In the kitchen going ham again. Fucking with them birds like Cam and them. I tell you what's the word when the 10 is in. We them niggas on the curb with them hammers in. Whole brick, throw it on a triple beam. We get hectic, we gon' stretch it like a limousine. Ain't no question if I touch it, then it's Mr. Clean. I be rapping in your section, me my nigga Dean. Ghost boys, in the ghost, nigga. I burn bread, I ain't talking toast, nigga. Whole team of killers, I'm the coach, nigga. Presidential on my wrist, now take your votes, nigga. Rookie of the year, cookies in the rear. I got some bad bitches that'll get it there. If you don't wanna get it, we gon' send them there. If it's heavy, then O'Malley coming in the leer. Brick squad, like walking them. If it's Gucci, like the Howard, get a block for them. I don't touch it, I just leave it up to talking them. Niggas started was a drop when we was popping in. Lean with it, rock with it. Throw some back up in the pot with it. Microwave, but we gon' pop whip it. When it get right, we drop that ass and make it lock with it. I tell them lean with it, rock with it. Throw some back up in the pot with it. Microwave, but we gon' pop whip it. When it get right, we drop that ass and make it lock with it. I made $1 million off a mixtape. Nigga, get your shit straight. I'm selling that raw shit. You selling that whip weight. Cooking up a whole bird until I make my wrist ache. When I put up to the club, you should've seen your bitch face. 50 cash in my pocket. Nigga, I got your stash in my pocket. I'm blowing money fast in my pocket. Said it's looking like I got Nicki ass in my pocket. Talking ass. All I get is cash. Club lit my last tag. Could've bought a fast jag. Way these bitches waving at me, you would think a cat pack. Wonder why you hating on me, nigga, with your mad ass. Rollie on me cost a whole brick. Killers with me ain't got no pics. These groupie bitches ain't got no sense. So we make a movie on them bitches, no script. Lean with it, rock with it. Throw some back up in the pot with it. Microwave, but we gon' pop whip it. When it get right, we drop that ass and make it lock with it. I tell them lean with it, rock with it. Throw some back up in the pot with it. Microwave, but we gon' pop whip it. When it get right, we drop that ass and make it lock with it. 36, treat it like a dirty bitch. Cause I hit it, then I send it to the other strip. Call me anything, don't call me by my government. Cause when I'm out here in the jungle, we be selling bricks. Had these niggas in my hood be on some telling shit. We be on some if you snitching, cracking melon shit. If I ain't rocking with the Smith, it's parabellum shit. Poppy bring them on the boat, he know we selling shit. Lean with it, rock with it. Posted Mac 11 in a lot with it. 750 getting busy with a box in it. So when they pull us over, they don't find them Glocks in it. Lean with it, rock